But okay, we're gonna try to download now. Let's try to download RBX. Let's see. What was the number for RBX? I need to create a new scene. Let's create a new scene. Lawrence McGregor, are you still there?
Yes.
Oh, I don't know how to create a new scene though. You showed me this, and I now forget. If I go there, that one is done. That. So what if I spotlight me, and then what? Then I create a new scene. How do I do that? How do I create this? Okay. So it was 2 what? 2L what?
GV.
GV. If I search that. No, it's not coming up. Oh, my name. Let's see. What else? What else? No, this is not. This is. Oh, okay. Hey, Mara, can you pull up PDB 2LGV? So there's an assistant in here. Let's see if that helps because tab, I can't figure it out. 2LVG is not currently loaded in the workspace. Load import first, and I can create views. How do I load import? Teach me how to load import. Okay. Load and import PDB 2LGV. I can adjust molecular scene components, but loading, importing a new PDB to VG from here is not possible. Okay, we're in the workspace. So how do I do that, though? I don't know how to do that. Okay, this is why I should have played around more with it. This is my fault. All right, let's go into the workspace. Okay, and then enter code right there. Here we go. Okay, so 2LGV. I love that it's very intuitive, though. At least some. Let's see. Is it coming up? Did I get it? Resume. Oh, no, that's not the right code. That's the code to the workspace. I need a code to, this is just the workspace. This is to use workspace.